Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to dive into the first set of words in this series. Let's get started. Word, affluent. Spelling, affluent. Meaning, having a great deal of money, resources, or possessions. Synonyms, wealthy, rich, prosperous. Antonyms, poor, impoverished, destitute. Usage. The affluent neighborhood was known for its luxurious mansions. Her affluent upbringing gave her many opportunities. Word, alacrity. Spelling, alacrity. Meaning, a feeling of happy excitement and eagerness. Synonyms, eagerness, enthusiasm, willingness. Antonyms, reluctance, apathy, unwillingness. Usage. She accepted the job offer with alacrity. The team responded to the challenge with alacrity. Word, admonish. Spelling, admonish. Meaning, to warn or reprimand someone firmly but politely. Synonyms, warn, caution, reprimand. Antonyms, praise, commend, applaud. Usage. The teacher admonished the students for their behavior. He was admonished by his boss for being late. Word, affable. Spelling, affable. Meaning, friendly, pleasant, and easy to talk to. Synonyms, friendly, amiable, pleasant. Antonyms, unfriendly, unpleasant, hostile. Usage. The affable host made sure all his guests felt welcome. She was known for her affable nature and warm smile. Word, allege. Spelling, allege. Meaning, to claim or assert something without providing proof. Synonyms, claim, assert, declare. Antonyms, deny, refute, disclaim. Usage. The plaintiff alleged that the company had breached the contract. He alleged that he had seen the suspect at the scene. Word, alleviate. Spelling, alleviate. Meaning, to make something, especially a problem or a feeling, less severe. Synonyms, ease, lessen, lighten. Antonyms, worsen, exacerbate, intensify. Usage. The new policy aims to alleviate poverty in rural areas. The medication helped to alleviate her symptoms. Word, ambiguous. Spelling, ambiguous. Meaning, open to more than one interpretation, unclear or vague. Synonyms, vague, unclear, obscure. Antonyms, clear, precise, definite. Usage. The ambiguous instructions made it hard to assemble the furniture. The politician's ambiguous statement sparked controversy. Word, ambivalent. Spelling, ambivalent. Meaning, having mixed feelings or contradictory ideas about something. Synonyms, mixed, contradictory, conflicting. Antonyms, decisive, certain, clear. Usage. She felt ambivalent about moving to a new city. His ambivalent attitude towards the project caused confusion. Word, amenable. Spelling, amenable. Meaning, willing to accept or agree with something. Synonyms, willing, agreeable, cooperative. Antonyms, unwilling, uncooperative, resistant. Usage. The company was amenable to negotiating a better deal. She was amenable to the idea of working late. Word, amiable. Spelling, amiable. Meaning, friendly and pleasant in a gentle way. Synonyms, friendly, pleasant, genial. Antonyms, unfriendly, unpleasant, hostile. Usage. The amiable hostess made everyone feel at home. He was known for his amiable nature and warm smile. Word, analogous. Spelling, analogous. Meaning, similar in terms of function or structure but not necessarily in origin. Synonyms, comparable, similar, equivalent. Antonyms, dissimilar, different, unrelated. Usage. The two systems are analogous in their operational principles. The analogous structures in different species suggest a common ancestor. Word, anxiety. Spelling, anxiety. Meaning, a feeling of worry, nervousness, or unease about something with an uncertain outcome. Synonyms, apprehension, fear, unease. Antonyms, calmness, serenity, peace. Usage. She felt a surge of anxiety before the exam. His anxiety about public speaking made him avoid presentations. Word, appropriate. Spelling, appropriate. Meaning, suitable or fitting for a particular purpose or situation. Synonyms, suitable, fitting, proper. Antonyms, inappropriate, unsuitable, improper. Usage. The dress was appropriate for the formal event. His behavior was not appropriate for the workplace. Word, assess. Spelling, assess. Meaning, to evaluate or judge the quality, quantity, or value of something. Synonyms, evaluate, judge, appraise. Antonyms, ignore, overlook, disregard. Usage. The teacher will assess the student's projects. The company will assess the damage from the storm. Word, attribute. Spelling, attribute. Meaning, a quality or feature regarded as a characteristic or inherent part of someone or something. Synonyms, quality, feature, characteristic. Antonyms, defect, flaw, shortcoming. Usage. Her kindness is one of her best attributes. The new smartphone has several impressive attributes. Word, atypical. Spelling, atypical. Meaning, not conforming to the standard or expected type. Synonyms, unusual, abnormal, irregular. Antonyms, typical, normal, standard. Usage. The atypical weather pattern caused confusion. His atypical behavior raised concerns among his friends. Word, audacious. Spelling, audacious. Meaning, showing a willingness to take bold risks, daring. Synonyms, daring, bold, fearless. Antonyms, timid, cautious, hesitant. Usage. The audacious plan to climb the mountain was met with skepticism. Her audacious style and fashion was admired by many. Word, augment. Spelling, augment. Meaning, to increase or enlarge something. Synonyms, increase, enlarge, expand. Antonyms, decrease, reduce, diminish. Usage. The company will augment its workforce to meet demand. The new policy aims to augment public safety. Word, auspicious. Spelling, auspicious. Meaning, giving a sign of future success, favorable. Synonyms, favorable, promising, propitious. Antonyms, unfavorable, inauspicious, ominous. Usage. The auspicious start to the project was a good omen. The team considered the sunny weather an auspicious sign. Word, austere. Spelling, austere. Meaning, severe or strict in manner or appearance, plain and unadorned. Synonyms, severe, strict, plain. Antonyms, lenient, indulgent, luxurious. Usage. The austere decor of the room was minimalist. His austere demeanor made him seem unapproachable. Word, bane. Spelling, bane. Meaning, a cause of great suffering or annoyance. Synonyms, curse, plague, affliction. Antonyms, blessing, boon, benefit. Usage. The new policy was the bane of the employee's existence. The constant noise was the bane of her peaceful life. Word, beguile. Spelling, beguile. Meaning, to charm or deceive someone into doing something. Synonyms, charm, deceive, entice. Antonyms, repel, deter, discourage. Usage. The salesman's charm beguiled her into buying the expensive item. The beautiful scenery beguiled tourists into staying longer. Word, benevolent. Spelling, benevolent. Meaning, well-meaning and kind, charitable. Synonyms, kind, charitable, generous. Antonyms, malevolent, cruel, unkind. Usage. The benevolent organization provided aid to the needy. Her benevolent nature made her a beloved figure. Word, benign. Spelling, benign. Meaning, gentle and kind, not harmful or malignant. Synonyms, gentle, kind, harmless. Antonyms, malignant, harmful, aggressive. Usage. The benign tumor was successfully removed. The benign climate made the island a popular destination. Word, bias. Spelling, bias. Meaning, a prejudice or predisposition, especially one that is unfair or unreasonable. Synonyms: prejudice, predisposition, partiality. Antonyms: objectivity, impartiality, fairness. Usage: the media's bias towards one political party was evident. Her personal bias influenced her decision-making. So, what did you think of this video? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Kavi's Brain Boosters, to monitor your daily progress and get the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.